This one here got polished up pretty good. It's nice and flat. This one here I'm just about done with. Then I'll tape them off for paint. I like this marble. It's
seems flat, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty flat. Be nice to have a piece of granite, but you know how much that'll weigh.
Yeah. I wonder what happened to that stuff laying right here.
It probably went over there somewhere. The only thing I got over here is this. Now these are my two O-rings here, right?
Yeah, and these are the square ones that go on the ends.
Okay. And these are left over
yeah, they're
from the
copper or bronze or
brass, whatever they are.
something.
The cleaning stuff that he's using on the table is like kaboom or something like that, some kind of...
It's Walmart brand called The Works.
The Works.
It's whatever, it just foams.
It does pretty good at cleaning off our white table that we use for our workbench. This is 2500 that I'm polishing it up with now. It's actually pretty flat, and it's pretty good right now, but I'll tape off these flat parts now and spray a couple of coats of primer on it, self-etching primer, and then on the mating surfaces. Then when we are ready to, after I finish that and we're about ready to put it together, I'll spray the rest of it. But these two mating surfaces, I want to make sure that they stay clean. And that looks good. That's the divider valve. And this other one, I can't remember what the heck they call that sucker.
Pilot, some kind of
pilot. Yeah, pilot valve, or I don't know. Oops. Didn't mean to hit you. Well, if you watch the videos, you'll get the names of them. Anyway, this is the divider valve, and this other valve has two grooves in it for O-rings. There's two O-rings right here. Okay, they'll be somewhere like that. They go in these grooves are made up with these holes. And this is bolted through like this. The bolts go through and to the mounting plate in there. And we'll get ready to put this in. We'll start another video.